In this video, you'll learn how to invite team members to your SplitCast account, assign roles, and manage your organization. Perfect for teams running boards or trivia across multiple locations. Team features require a pro plan. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade to invite others. From your dashboard, go to Settings, then view the Team Members section. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your SplitCast account. Click Invite Member to add someone new. Enter their email address, select a role, and click Send Invitation. They'll receive an email to join your organization. Once they accept, they can access your shared games, devices, and schedules. Each team member can have a different role. Admins have full access. They can manage billing, invite others, and delete content. Members can create and edit games, run sessions, and manage devices, but they can't change account settings or billing. Choose the role that matches each person's responsibilities. Need to update someone's role? Find their name in the list and click Remove. Then send a new invitation with the updated role. Removing a team member revokes their access immediately. Any games or content they created stays in your account. It doesn't disappear when they leave. If you're managing multiple locations or departments, check the Organization section in the top left navigation. Here you can create sub-organizations under your primary account. Each sub-organization has its own boards, messages, games, and team members. To add one, click the Organization dropdown and select Add Org. Enter a name and click Create Organization. Once created, you'll switch to that organization automatically. From there, you can invite team members who only have access to that specific location. To remove a sub-organization, select Manage Orgs from the dropdown. Quick note: invitation not received? Ask your team member to check their spam folder. If it's still missing, remove the pending invite and send a new one. You've invited team members, assigned roles, and configured your organization settings. Next, we'll cover the Activity tab, where you can track everything happening in your account.